Hey, today I'm going to read a story called Two Little Birds. It was written by Newell Depalma. After much effort, two little birds emerged from their eggs. It's very bright. There's lots of room. The little birds did what little birds do. They fed, they frolicked, they grew. One night they saw an amazing sight. Ah, let's go too. See all the birds flying? Wonder where they're headed. They flew and flew and flew. They flew beyond all they knew. Rumble, flash, boom. The little birds tumbled, the little birds tossed. Where are we? We are lost. The little birds did what little birds do. They skipped, they scouted, they flew. They flew and flew and flew. Now what do we do? Where are they now? Flew all the way to the beach. Flap, 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 hours passed. Flap, 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 their wings ached. Flap, 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 it hurt to breathe. Flap, 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 flap. You can do it. Ugh, I don't know. Keep flying and flying. Whew, we finally made it. The flutter and chatter of many birds woke them up. Where are they now? Looks like they're somewhere quite warm. The little birds did what little birds do. They fed, they frolicked, they discovered what's new. This is good. This too. After a while, the young birds thought of home. They remembered a cozy nest, delicious grasshoppers, and the songs their father taught them. It's so far, but we are strong. They fly all the way back. After much effort, the strong young birds arrived home. Then these birds did what all birds do. They sang, they snuggled, they started something new. Look, see some eggs in their nest. This story is about two little birds that make a long flight to somewhere warm. Real birds and other flying creatures do this all the time. Do you know what it's called when birds or other animals move someplace new? We call it migration. Every year, little birds like the little birds in this story fly for hours and hours and hours all together to spend winter in a warmer place. It's really amazing. Then when the winter's over, they come back up north and make their nests and lay their eggs.